Okay, so today I would like to present about PBT2 that for web programming. So I will, so I will like to introduce myself. My name is Sima Sharni. My next member name is Anjana, and my next another member name is Sangeeta. So this is question one, which we have to construct file and directory handling. First, we have to create the file name as PBT2. So next, this is we have to create PHP based on the figure one and also name it as Moola. So the first Roman is the Moola button will navigate to the chapter folder file. So once we click the button, it will navigate to the next page. So this is the source code for moola.php, and here's the second one is create second PHP based on figure 1.1 and name it as chapter folder. So the first Roman is user will insert text in nama folder text bar, for example game. Chapter folder button will navigate to chapter file, and third Roman is pass folder name to next page. So this is the chapter folder screenshot that once we have inserted the folder name and we have to click the button, it will navigate to the next page. So this is the example. We inserted the folder name as game and we just need to click the button so it will navigate to the next page. So this is the source code for shifter_file.php. So the third PHP file is we have to name it as shifter file, and also first Roman game for it will be created here, and the second Roman is user will insert the text in nama file, for example contra, and also you will navigate to the next page, that is pengesahan page. So also once we inserted the file name, we have to click this button chapter file, and also it will create the file and it will navigate to the pengesahan page. Okay, now this is the example. We have name it. We have already inserted in file name contra, and we just need to just create it. So the message text box, for example, this is great game ever. So we have to input the message. So as you can see, this is the source code for the sema.php file. So it is an HTML and PHP coding. So the HTML coding will be start, and then the PHP coding will be add on. So this is the continue source coding of just now's coding. So the next, we create next PHP file based on figure 1.5, name it as simpan. All message text will be saved on contract file. Next Sema button will navigate to Sema PHP page and pass folder name to the next, pass file name to the next Sema.php. So the message that we insert in the message PHP will be displayed here. So that got to delete and kembali ke mula button. So the message text box, for example, this is great game ever. So we have to input the message. So as you can see, the source code for the previous contract file. So this is the source code of it. So next, create next PHP file based on figure 1.6 and name it as Sema. Page will read all texts from control text which we created just now and display them here. Delete button will enable user to delete folder and file. The message will appear as below. If user click OK, then page will navigate delete PHP, close folder and file before proceed to confirm delete. If user click cancel, the page will still remain on current page. So if we click the delete button, message box will pop up. So once you press the delete button, as you can see, there's a message pop up, and there got OK button and cancel button. So once you say OK, it will just off and cancel. It will cancel deleting. So then we click the delete button, the folder we save as game will be deleted. Just now we did it. We click the delete button. So once we click OK, the folder that we save as delete is gone. So as you can see, this is the source code of the delete. For the delete, this is the function and the source code of it. So kembali ke Mula button will navigate to Mula PHP page, create last of PHP file and name it as delete. Use coding array map to delete the file. Use any code that you know to delete the folder. So once click delete button, it will bring to the first page, the Mula PHP page.
Okay, now I'm going to say so now I set my file as WEBPRO. See the file is see the box. So here you can see all the PHP files that I have inserted here. First, we start with Muller. So this one is my first PHP, Muller PHP. So first is lama datang Muller, and then we just now we can insert the nama folder. So you just put the same data based on the question. So the nama folder is just put the game based on the question. Then cipta folder and masukkan nama file. Then they ask to uh, put the name of the file. And then this one is like chipta file PHP. Then you click the chipta file, and then after they will say that the file select is chipta, and then this one is pengesanan PHP. Once we just to go to the next interface, we click isi maklumat. So in the question, they said that we have to put this one. This is the great game ever. So we just inserted here the message. Then we click Hanta. Okay. To Sema, we just click Sema. The Sema will save under the simpan PHP. Okay. Okay. Bacha file, this is a great game ever. Okay. This will be displayed here. To make sure that the file is created, so we have to go to the PHP file to check. So just now we created the folder name game, right? So the folder is here, and then the file name as contra, and then we just inserted the message as this is the great game ever. So all the data will be here, and then we can to see whether the delete button is working or not. And then if we click the Kembali button, it will go to the Mula page. Just now I showed. So we just try to test the delete one. I'll split the screen for a while. Then once we click delete, it will ask whether we really, for confirmation, we really want to delete or not. Once we click the OK, the folder will delete. Okay, that's all from me. Okay, now I'm going to do the web hosting. The question 2, I'm going to do the demonstration. Okay, I'm using Infinity free app to web hosting to question 2. And after you've created all the things, then they will provide you all the username and everything. And this will be our link, okay, to see the web hosting website. Okay, so I'm just copy pasted in another file, another Windows. So it should look like this. And then before that, we're going to File Manager. Then once we click here, it will come to here. So we're going to check the data we have inserted it's correct or not. So these are the files. It's going to be 8 files, and then I can check here. PBT2. I've inserted all the files that if I do here in PBT2. So once we inserted all the things, so we just click the run, and we just click the finish and then try to run. And this will be the page. Uh, where the link from? The link from here. Here will be the link. So once we click the link, it will show the Sharma Datanga, same as the localhost we do just now. Then we just do as usual. Okay. Okay. Here we do a different file. So for confirmation. Okay. The name of the folder will be Candy. So we do an example. It can be Sagita, it's my name. Okay. File tala chitta. We're going to see whether the file is already chitta or not. Okay, sorry, it's not yet. Okay. Message. Going to see the message. Just put hello. And then it will say like additional file. Okay, with SEMA. Going to SEMA here. Whether the file is included or not. Yeah, it's included. My file name is Sangita. And then while you click the edit, right, it will show the message that we have inserted. Okay. And then while we click delete button, it will delete. Okay, they will ask the question whether you want to delete or not. So it will be written to the uh Mula page. Then the candy button will be delete. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.